Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to my fans on the TV. It's the CAF Champions League. Orlando Pirates 3, Lupopo 0. Orlando Pirates loses via penalties. I'm joined by Emmanuel.
Sure, Steve.
Yeah.
Bafowethu Mabhakaniya asiyeni phambili support iPirates. iPirates idlala sharp.
Yeah.
Idlala ibhola le sharp. Siluze 3-0. Sabuya sakora 3 la ekhaya.
Yeah.
So like it was not on our side, but penalties.
Yeah.
So singa blame sithi coach. Ubone something utraina nalabantu coach.
Yeah.
So let's accept iluzi. Accept iluzi. Then Tuesday we are coming for Carling Black Label. Then siye phambili siyayiwina. Then the big game futhi yengayi-1.
Yeah.
So dlala ne-Sundowns so ipapahla khona le eLucas Morape.
Yeah.
So let's keep support the guys bafowethu. Singaluzi ifocus yethu ukuthi support i-team. Kungabi nema-division.
Yes.
Kungabi nema-division and the last thing bafowethu. Mina iPirates noma ingadliwa kanjani. I lost my job because of iPirates and I support iPirates whether I'm working or I'm not. So mina bafowethu le team ngithengele ama t-shirt just for the support. Ngizobawona nge-Tuesday.
Yeah.
Isiphiwe unawo.
Yeah.
Then abafowethu siyabagqokisa bababahle. Let's sponsor those guys bafowethu.
Yeah. Thank you, man. Thank you.